Hey man, let's start off this video with a little joke today. I'm feeling funny. Knock knock. Who's there? NameBran. I'm back in action, back in the action. Bad joke. Execution wasn't there, but let me tell you, there's gonna be execution all over this video. We getting gnarly in this shit today, bro. Just kidding, I'm not crazy. We're talking about the Pokemon Execute. Bad joke again. Fuck. Anyway, man, today we have probably one of the biggest and best pickups of all time that I've been so stoked to show y'all, man. Bro, a better pickup than when Selena Gomez went with Justin Bieber, and then he later dropped her off to hopefully be with me, which would be sick. Man, a better pickup than cameraman Ian picks up girls, which isn't that good. He's not good at that. Huge nerd, still a virgin. Man, a better pickup than that dude lifting weights. He just shit himself. Bro, we got the pickup of the century. Ain't no one seen this on the sneaker YouTube, bro. But first, we gotta make it. Of course, it's fucking NameBran's channel. Also, excuse the mess, boys. I had a bunch of fat girls in here the other day, man. Fucked everything up. It's really bad in here. Yeah, cause they farted. Did? No? There it is. Wait, fuck! Not looking for the approval of kids, man. Looking for the approval of you. The real men. No winning today. We'll just take it as a hint. Let's get into the video. Of course y'all know the NameBran fams, real strong. We've been murking the game, the greatest of all time. Make a song of that, it'd be super sick. It kind of rhymes. Cool, it's a little bit cool. Also guys, if you didn't see yesterday's video, we did an entire sneaker collection of my new sneaker room, super dope. We're also giving away most of the stuff you see here, so go check out that video to see what you guys can win. Not even win, what you guys can just get for free if you guys pay for shipping. So that's a lot of stuff we're giving away. With that being said, man, check out the mask, bro. Check out the mask. Very sick. Oh yeah, I fucking love it. It was great. Look at that thing. Wow. So we're gonna kind of treat this video as kind of like a vlog style today because I've had this idea for so long, but I've never wanted to execute it because I don't really know how. But here's the idea. I've always thought for a long time, and I found the pieces for it because I keep all my Yeezy pieces. It would be so dope to have a half and half Yeezy. We talking this on the back, this on the front, lining up perfectly with like the lines and stuff like that. Something that you can wear. Now this is something I've had in my mind once again for so long. I don't know how I'm gonna do it. I'm usually very creative. I usually know how to do these types of things, but we're just kind of play it by ear in this video, really try to figure it out together, and hopefully by the end of it, I can actually show you guys how to make this easily yourself, something that you can wear. First off, I'll make a phone call. I'm kind of hungry. It's time for a prank phone call with NameBran. Hey there, how are you doing?
Good, how about you?
Good. So I'm just kind of shopping around to different pizza places right now because my fiance and I are getting married and we're just trying to like figure out the best deals, if that makes sense.
Okay, yeah, no problem.
Okay, well, just kind of like one of the things I'm kind of shopping around is my wife's family is Muslim and they don't really eat pork. However, I'm kind of a pork fan, and I was just wondering if maybe you could put the pork underneath the cheese so they don't really see it, because I feel like at that point, they don't know they're eating it, so it's no harm. But if you could just hide it.
That deeply, I can even get halal meat if you want.
Oh, yeah? I don't think it's necessary, because they're not going to die from it. I think it's more of a belief, correct?
Okay, yeah, I just don't want to, if they eat something wrong, how they get upset.
Yeah, no, I don't think they'll know. To be honest, our families aren't really on the best of terms, and my family kind of like, I want it their way. And I feel like them calling the shots on what they can eat is somewhat disrespectful, unkind, and bad. So I kind of want to have it my way and just kind of hide what it is underneath the cheese so I can also enjoy my day as much as her family, who is being, in my opinion, a little picky.
Yeah, all the toppings we put underneath anyway.
Okay, perfect. So it probably wouldn't be a problem.
We always done that. The cheese always went on top.
Okay, perfect. And they don't die from it. I think it's just their belief. Is that correct?
Pardon me?
They won't die from it? They're not like all allergic, are they? Or is it... Because I'm not trying to kill them. I'm just trying to...
It's just like it's not the priest. They just kind of pray on it.
Oh yeah, forget about it. Okay. Yeah, they won't find out. I believe that you guys have probably had it well.
Yeah, that's the only problem. Yeah, if they found out, then...
Okay.
I don't know what'll happen.
You know, I'll take the risk.
Get mad at you.
Yeah, no, I'll just tell them it was a prank or something like that. I could probably just tell them it was a prank and then kind of go from there. I'm sure they wouldn't be too offended by that.
Okay, sure.
Thanks so much.
Okay.
Bye. But I just want to say I'm not insensitive. My whole family is, or half my family is Muslim. My dad's sister married a Muslim man way before I was born, so we're indulged with that culture, and I respect you guys. Just no harm taken, but I think that's kind of a funny prank call. I just always want to see how they're gonna react to that. And we're back to business. So I think we're gonna start to do, you guys follow along, because I think this is gonna work out. I'm gonna cut through the shoe right here, somewhat like a beaver playing a harmonica twice. Right through, y'all get a nice X-Acto knife, it always works. Cut right down here, that'll give us enough space for this, I assume. And you can do this, guys. Like, if I figured this out, y'all literally replicate it with fake Yeezys, fake shoes. I don't give a shit. Actually, to be honest, I think these ones are fake. Yes, they are fake. These ones are real. I didn't have any other pairs that were this color, because I think this contrast could be dope, but these are real, so we got a half real, half fake Yeezy. Ah! Oh, I got nicked! Ah! I got nicked in the finger! Ah! Oh, it's not even bleeding, it's so deep! Ugh, wow! But we man up and we continue. Good luck, boys. God, nicked me again! Oh no, that wasn't a nick. That was just a shock. Oh man, that was about to look immaculate. That was about to look like a fresh pizza pie on a Selena Gomez tit. On one of her tits, just eating pizza off Selena Gomez's tit. Wow, would that be great. Hey boys, as y'all can see, it's starting to take shape. We're going glue along there. It's looking quite excellent, actually, if I do say so myself. Hey, that was sick. Oh, egg on a wall. Now the part y'all don't see, we gotta clean this shit up now. Now we're gonna go get a glue gun, take that plug and shove it in her ass. We get gnarly. Disclaimer alert! A light socket is not an ass. It was a joke. Don't put your dick in it, especially if you're Iron Man. That would hurt, bro. Well, I'm pretty sure your balls would fall out. We're gonna do the rest of the custom down here, boys. My back hurts like a bitch. I'm pretty sure I kinked it. So what I did here, as y'all can see, is I actually left a little extra fabric. So all you need to do, and I think this is gonna turn out really well, is glue onto the existing fabric and glue this part right here onto that part right here. Somewhat. Ooh, look at my vagina shoe. Ooh, little poopy pussy. Hey, who needs a flashlight when you got a pussy shoe? This is sick. And without further ado, boys, now keep in mind this is a prototype for a type of customizing that I want to do more of in the future with other colorways, something like that. We got the Yeezy half and half with the yellow and banana and the gray, but I don't know what else is gray. We got right here, boys. As y'all can see, it is a little bit messy what I'm gonna try to work on in the future, and honestly, it kind of happened this way because this is just some scraps that I had before. As y'all can see, I didn't cut this well because I was just trying to use the sole of this shoe. I didn't actually think I'd use the gray part, but for next time, if I actually made this and it was like a little bit cleaner here, I think it'd look a lot better, no cut marks and stuff like that, which I think we can do. But you guys let me know how it looks. It looks super, super dope, all laced up. Once again, if y'all want to wear it, do it with a different glue. There's a lot of glues for it, just search it up. But this is a prototype, and we're definitely going to be making these in the future the right way so I can actually wear these motherfuckers around SneakerCon. So let me know what y'all think, and honestly, I have no use for this anymore. I usually throw out my customs. If somebody wants to win this, you gotta pay for shipping, but if you want to win it, thumbs up this video, comment down below, and fucking notification squad, man. That's all you gotta do. Also, my Instagram's right here. Go hit it up. It's lit. But as y'all can see, that's a sneaker. Fucking love it to death. I think it's really, really dope. A really new, fresh idea that we haven't done yet. Now, man, I gotta bring it back to the basics real quick. Welcome to another episode of
It's time for Chillin' with NameBran.
Now, if y'all don't know how this series works, man, we did it last year. I'm bringing it back. This is what we do at the end of the video, making it uncut, uncircumcised for my editing pleasures and your viewing pleasures. We try to get it to 10 minutes for more ad revenue, and if I say something stupid, I can't cut it out of the video, which is where I gotta be careful here. So I got a couple updates. I'm going to SneakerCon Chicago. And I think I'm gonna go with Jill. Y'all know Jill. She's part of the NameBran fam. Cameraman Adam dipped out. Fuck that dude now. Still best friends, but he's done with the channel for a little bit. Cameraman Ian, I'm actually gonna ask him if he wants to come out. That's some lit shit right there. Also, what else do we have to say? Like I said, if you guys didn't watch the last video, we've given a lot of shit away, and there's a lot of stuff that you can actually buy too. So I want you guys to figure that out, because I'm just gonna take the rest of this to a consignment shop. But I'm giving you guys first dibs, and of course you're gonna get better deals than what the consignment shop would give. So that's for you guys. Another thing, Instagram's about to be popping. I got a bunch of Instagram videos in the works. I want to kind of collaborate the YouTube and Instagram together. So if you guys follow the Instagram, it's another update. With that being said, I think we're almost at 10 minutes. You know what? If we're not, I'm gonna say fuck it. Hopefully this shirt doesn't get me demonetized for life. Appreciate y'all for watching. NameBran fans, real strong, marking the game, the greatest of all time. Brazzers merch shop is where I got this, for y'all that are wondering. It's really comfy, it's dope, and I have semen on it. I think, no, that's glue. Alright, appreciate y'all for watching. Blah.